Now, let's take a look at number 2. Okay, for number 2, we're saying, hey, we have a rectangle here. For this rectangle, there's a difference between the length and the width. And they said that the difference is 29 centimeters. And it says, please go ahead, find the dimension of the rectangle. If its perimeter, it's 150. What's perimeter? What is perimeter? Do you know perimeter? The outside, all the side, all the lengths, all added up together, right? So for the variables here, we would say length is, L is length. That's easier, okay? We will make things more conventional. I'm not going to use X and Y. I'm going to use L and W to make life easier for ourselves. So something is equal to 29 and something is equal to 150. Can you write down the 2 equations? All right, so what is 29? 29 would be? Well, if the difference between length and width, then we say, well, L minus W. Now, by convention, we always say L minus, the length is longer than the width, so L minus W would be a good one. And then what is equal to 150? 2L plus 2W, okay? So if you know it's a rectangle, you have the length, you have the W, and then you have 2 lengths and 2 widths to make up all the sides of a rectangle. Then you go ahead and do that. And with this, can you go ahead and find out the lengths and widths yourself? All right, so to solve the system, you probably want to eliminate, I would say W, because you have a plus, you have a minus. That makes it really easy to eliminate. So you would multiply the top equation by 2. So 29 times 2 is 58. And you rewrite the bottom equation. So you go ahead and cancel out those 2 terms, and you have 4L plus 208. And if you divide both sides by 4, what is L? 52, okay? So L is 52. So 52 minus W, it's equal to 29. So if you subtract 52 on both sides, you will have negative 23 on the right. So to get the negative away, so W is equal to 23. So to interpret our solution, we'll say, hey, this rectangle, the rectangle is, what's the dimension? 52 centimeters by 23 centimeters. Okay, so that's how you communicate the dimension. Okie doke.